The new one is optimal. Okay, merge pattern in this. Consider here everybody. So example one I will take example one. Okay, consider n value equal to 3. Okay, now n value is equal to 3. Nothing but what is that n value I am taking? So nothing but three files. Three files. Okay, in files you will going to find the documents. Yes or not? So sir, what is that file? I will going to write the definition also if you want it. See here, file is nothing but here everyone, file is nothing but collection of collection of collection of records. Collection of records. Yes or not? Collection of records. Understood everyone? Collection of records is known as file. That's it. Very simple. Suppose take file pa. Very simple. What you can do? Take one file. See here like this. You will find a file, right? Like this. So inside the file, what you will going to do? You will going to have a document. In that document, what you will going to do? You will going to record the values, right? You will going to have the record the values, right? Inside the document, what you will going to have? You will going to have the record values. That is what we call it as collection of records. Collection of records. Okay, file is nothing but what? Collection of records. So that is called it as file. That's it. Okay, na? I think you people got this one. Now, okay, fine. Now consider we have a three files here. We have a three files, something like this. We have three files, X. Okay, so that is equal to 80. Okay, so I mean 80 is nothing but number of records. Number of records. N is equal to 3. This is number of files. X is equal to 80. That is number of records. Okay, 80 is nothing but 80 records. 80 records. 80 records. Okay, now right. Again y. So y is equal to something like you take it as 150. 150. So what is that? 150 records. Okay, 150 records. Again you take z. So that is equal to something like 70. Okay, how much? 70 records. Okay, 70 records. Done? Everybody done? Okay, everybody done. Okay, nothing but we can able to understand all these things. But if you go inside the records, that is what I told you. If you go inside the file, you will going to find the record like this. You will going to find the record like this. Yes or not? Here, all the records, suppose think like that your attendance, all the attendance, whatever the names are there, all these are sorted or not? All these are sorted or not? You tell me, all these are sorted or not? From A to Z, it is sorted or not? That is what exactly, nothing but some parameter is given here, some parameter on the based on parameter, some parameter. So what is that exactly I'm talking about here? Please understand what is that exactly I'm talking about. All these records, whatever the records you have recorded in that particular file, that is sorted, sorted based on some parameters. Based on some parameters. Okay, na? Based on some parameters. So this one you have to understand first. Okay, this one you have to understand here. Fine. Now, please observe here. I think you people got it, everyone. Okay, we have a three files. In the three files, we have one record, that is X record. X is a record here. Okay, X record having 80. Okay, Y record having 150. 150 records are there. Z having 70 records are there. 80 records are there. Like that, so many records are there. Now see here. Okay, now see here. What we are doing, suppose, please understand. This is attendance. This is also attendance. Okay, this is completely attendance A. Okay, this is completely attendance B, records. Now suppose if I use the merge sort here, if I use the merge sort, okay, now see here, all a values, okay, all a values will come here. Again, whatever the things are there, please see here, suppose think like that, a b c, something like this is there, something like that, okay, here up to s is there, here also a b c, all these things are there. Whatever the a value is there, after that it will come or not. Suppose think like that, Abhishek, okay, after that here Aisha is there, what it will do, it will become Aisha here, like that. A values like that, it will go into sort or not? Please understand, like that it will go into sort or not? Yes or not, you tell me. Okay, some a values are there, a b c d e f g h, like that, up to s, z, up to z is there. Here also a to z is there, names. Then based on the alphabetical order, nothing but what, a to z, based on the alphabetical order a to z, it will go into sort or not? Absolutely. Based on alphabetical order, it will go into sort. Like that also, if you want to take number, suppose think like the 1 to 100 here, suppose 1 to 100 is here, here also 1 to 100 here. Based on the numbers, it will go into sort or not? Okay, suppose think like that, 1 is there, after that 3 is there, but here 2 is there. What happens here? After 1, you will going to get 2 here. Yes or not? Like that, it will go into sort or not? Nothing but if you merge these two, what you will going to get it? You will go into one sorted file, you will going to get it. You will going to get one sorted file. That is what I wanted to say. Nothing. Nothing. Apart from that, nothing. Okay. Two files are there. If I use the merge sort, so what happens? You will going to get a one sorted file. So that is what I wanted to say. Nothing but it's okay. That is fine. If you are able to understand this one, fine. That is good. If you are able to understand this one, suppose think like that. We have 80 here, 80 a x. You take it as x only. Yeah, that is better. I don't want to take my own. So x is equal to 80. 80 records are there. Again, something like y is equal to 150 records are there. Y is equal to 150. Both we are applying merge sort on these records. What happens? How many moves it will take? It will take first one and it will going to compare. Again, it will going to check it whether which is minimum, which is maximum. Suppose think like that. So whatever the minimum is there, it will come up. Okay. Again, maximum will go down. If any minimum is there, like that, it will go into sort or not? Minimum, 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 like that. Yes or not? Minimum. After that, maximum. Compared to this one, so this should be maximum. Compared to this one, this should be maximum, like that. Minimum, 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 like that. It will go into sort or not? That is what exactly it will do. So that's why, please understand. That's why. How many moves it will going to take? Almost all. Okay, 80 plus 150. How much? You people tell me now. 80 plus 1. 80 plus 150. You please tell me. 80 plus 150. Almost all 230 moves you will going to take. Too much, right? Too much time it is consuming. Too much time is consuming. Nothing but to merge these two files, how many moves is required? 230 moves is required. 230 moves required to sort. Understood? 230 moves is required to sort. That is what I wanted to tell. That's it, nothing else. I think you people are clear with this. I think you people are clear with this. Okay, now I think you people are clear with this. Now see. Now see here, everybody. Now see here. Nothing but if you want to sort the two files, you should use minimum moves. Minimum moves. I don't want to use more moves. I don't want to use the more moves. That is what exactly I have to identify. That's why it is called it as optimal merge pattern. What is the optimal solution? Less moves we have to use it. Again, we have to get a file. Less moves we have to use it. Again, we have to get a sorted, what is that? Record, sorted record. That is one record. Suppose example, that is what I am telling you. If you sorted X and Y, you will going to get one record, sorted record. So what we have to get? 180 plus 150. How many moves are we are getting? Totally 230 moves. Compared to that, any solution is which is available. Please see here, any solution which is available compared to that, which will go into minimum moves. Here 230 moves is there. Compared to this one, any less moves. Okay, using less moves, can I able to sort these two records? That is what I wanted to tell you. See, X is a one record, Y is a one record. If I do what is that? Merging, nothing but merging I am doing. Okay, so when you do the merging, so what happens here? Totally 230 moves it is taking. So, but I don't, it is more actually. If any other solution which is available compared to 230, it will go down. We have to check it. Compared to 230, any 200 like that moves. Is it possible? We have to check it. This one we will call it as optimal merge pattern. Okay, optimal merge pattern. That's it. Okay, now example one, we take it. Here it is taking maximum moves. I will tell you what is this. One by one, I will want to finish now. See here, over, almost all over. If you are able to understand this one, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Everything is fine now. Okay, now please go through this one. Now, what is the minimum? Take here also same thing. Take the minimum. Okay. So what we are doing here, first merge, what we are doing, I will going to take two combination, x and y, two combinations we are taking. Here something like x. Okay. Again something like y here. So what is the records? 80 records. Yes or not? 80 records here. X. Again y has how many records? 150 records. Here 150 records. Correct. If I merge these two, see here, if I merge these two, first stage merge, this we will call it as first stage merge. First stage merge. First stage merge. You know, right? Merge algorithm. So that is what first stage merge we are doing. If I do this one, how many moves it will take? Totally 230 moves it will take. Correct? Totally 230 moves we will wait it. Nothing but x and y merged. Okay, x and y merged. Nothing but this is gone. This is gone. We got the new one, something like that. New one, T1 like that. You can able to take it, no problem. T1 like that. You can able to take it, no problem. Okay. So now this one by using these two are gone. Then what we got it? T1. T1 plus D1 and Z we are going to merge now. T1 and Z we are going to merge now. Actually, this is greater here. Everybody, this is greater. Go to the left side. Okay. Now see here, everybody. So Z. Okay, Z. Again, we will going to do the merging. Z means what is this? 70 records. 70 records. When you do merging, okay, this is second stage merging. Second stage. Okay, what I will do, just a moment, guys. Just a moment. I don't want to erase that. That's why. Just I showed you, that's it. I don't want to erase this. Okay. Just I wanted to show. So what is going on? That's why I showed that. Z. What is the Z value? 70. Okay, now. So finally, how much you will going to get it? 230 plus 70. Totally how much? 300. 300 moves are required to merge all these records into one file. 200 and 300 moves are required to merge all these records to one record. Okay, so this is called it as second stage merge. Second stage merge. Okay, now second stage merge. I think you people got it. I think you people got it. Yes or not? I think you people got it. This is one way. Okay, please understand. This is one way. Is there any solution for this? Basically, we are getting 300 moves. See here, basically we are getting 300 moves. Any compared to 300, can we get less? Okay, can we get less? See, after merging 80, 150, 70, total moves is how much? 300. 300 moves we are getting to make it one record. So that's why, that's why you find out any other solution compared to this. Okay, less moves are there available like that. You have to check it. You have to check it. Okay, that is what we have to see. Yes or not? Please understand that is what we have to see. Okay, now, so we're going to see some other thing. Okay, we're going to see some other. So let's take y and z. Is there any problem if I take y and z here? Let's take y and z. Y is there as well as z is there. What is the y value? See here, what is the y value? 150. Again, what is the z value? 70. When you do this merging, okay, how many moves total? How many moves? 220. 220 moves. Okay, so what is that? X is over, y is over, z is over, y is over, z is over, x is left. X is left, right? X is left, right? I will take x here. So nothing but what? 80. If you do merging here, what happens here? Second stage merging. Again, you will going to get 300 here. Again, you will going to get 300. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now I think you people got this one also. Okay, that is also fine. Again, do some more. Find some more. That is what I am. Greedy is nothing but this only. Greedy is nothing but this. I am finding the minimal optimal solution. Minimum optimal solution. Less moves I want it. Less moves I want it. So that is what greedy is nothing but. Now we are going to see one more. Okay, that is okay. Again, check with X and Z. Check with X and Z. X and Z here. Okay, now what is the X value? 80. What is the Z value? 170. Fine. X value is 80. Z value is 170. Merge it. First stage of merge. Please here. First stage of merge. So when I do this one, okay. 170 na 70 na pala. Okay, wait. Sorry, it's 70 pa 170. Okay, so we got it 70 70 140 plus 10. Okay, 150. Yes or not? 150 we are getting 150. That is also fine, no problem. Again, over X is over, Z is over, X is over, Z is over, merge is over. 150 moves we got it. Again, Y is left now. Y is left, right? So that one also you do Y. So that is 150. Correct? 150. If number is missing, please let me know. Okay, 150 plus 150, again 300. Again 300. Okay. So all this, consider, now please everybody, consider this one as M1. Consider this one as M2. Consider this one as M3. Okay, na? Fine, everyone okay? Everyone okay? Please now see here. Everybody go to the M1. Everyone observe here. Go to the M1 here. So total how many? Total you can able to see 230 moves. Yes or not? 230 moves. 230 moves to for second stage. How much? Second stage. Finally, how much you got it? 300. 300. So totally how much you are getting? Okay. 0, 3, again 530. So totally 530 moves are required to make it one merge. 530 moves. This is for first stage. That is the reason why I written first stage. These many moves. Okay, for this and this 300. Okay, second stage 300 moves. 230 plus 300. How much we are getting? 530. Totally 530 moves required to make it one record. To make it one record. This one to make it one record. Okay, 500 moves is required to make it one record. Okay, 530. Sorry, 530. Okay, 530 moves are required. Now you check it this one. 220 here, everyone observe here. 220, correct? First stage, this is first stage. Again, this is second stage. Second stage. So 220 plus 300. How much? 220 plus 300. You can able to see 520. Yes or not? Compared to this one, this is less moves or not? See here, compared to this one, this is less moves or not? So you can say that this is an optimal solution. Again, no, this is one more is there with us. Okay, this is first stage again. This is second stage again. Yes or not? Now check it. For here, 150 moves. First stage, how many moves? 150 moves. Second stage, see here, how many moves? 300 moves. Yes or not? 0, 5, 450. Now you 450 moves are required to merge all these records into one record. Merge all these records into one record. So these many moves, less moves, that is what we will call it as optimal merge pattern. See here? So basically, this is the best case. I can say that this is the best case. Yes or not? M3 is less moves. Here M3 means less moves. Less moves. This solution having less moves. This one, you can able to see this one, actually average moves. So compared to this one and compared to this one, okay, no problem. Average moves. Yes or not? This one here, see here, this is a, this one you can able to see this one. Very worst, maximum moves it is taking. Maximum moves it is taking. Maximum moves it is taking. Yes or not? This one is average moves. Here very less moves. Average. Again, one more you can able to see. Observe here 80 and 150. Okay. 80 and 150. See here. When you go to the M1, you can able to see this is the maximum we are taking or not. So 80 is also maximum, 150 also maximum here. You can see. So when you do this maximum, actually, basically, we're going to get maximum. Basically, we'll get maximum. Here, what I am doing, see here, you can able to see. So 70 is minimum, yes or not? 150 is maximum. Okay. So 80 is also actually maximum. We are not taking. That's why minimum and maximum. Here, basically, we are taking everything in maximum only. But here we are making minimum also, maximum also. So that is the reason why you are getting average moves. That is the reason why you are getting maximum moves here. Again, here you can able to see. Here you can able to see. Both are minimum. See here, compared to 150, both are minimum. That's the reason. Both are minimum values we are taking. Yes or not? Both are minimum values we are taking here. So that's the reason why we are getting less moves. That is the reason why we are getting less moves. Nothing but you can able to see in Hoffman coding as well as here also. Same thing we are doing or not? We are taking minimum. When you take minimum, you will going to get the less moves. You will going to get the most moves. This is also part of Hoffman coding. So that's why they have introduced this also. Okay. Now, final. I will going to conclude now. Finally, I will going to conclude. Nothing but. So here, what is that? 450. What is that exactly? Minimum number of records. Minimum number of record moments. What is that? 450. 450. This is the optimal merge pattern. This is the optimal solution. Okay. So taking less moves. See here, everyone observe here. Taking less moves. Taking less moves. Okay. Is known as optimal merge pattern. Taking less moves. Yes or not? See, we have a pattern like this. Okay. So I taken all the possible solutions. I did it. Finally, I got one nice solution, optimal solution. Yes or not? This is an optimal solution. We got it. Fine solution. So this is the best case actually. Yes or not? This is the best case. M3 is the best case. This is average case. This is worst case. Okay now? Everybody okay? Everyone okay? So this one, either you can call this one we can able to call this one. Basically, we can able to call this one as a two-way method. Okay, we can call this one as a two-way method. Two-way method. Okay. Because first stage, second stage we are using like that. It's also called it as two-way method. Fine. So this is called it as optimal merge pattern. Okay. So this is all about this. I think you people got this one. And you can say finally, you can say this one, whatever the tree you got it. See here, whatever the tree you got it, this tree, two-way merge. Okay, two-way merge tree. This is called it as two-way merge tree. Okay, two-way merge tree. Okay, now. So this is called it as two-way merge tree. Fine. So that's it. So we got the two-way merge tree. Everything is done. So finally, what is that exactly? So we need less number of moves to merge all the records. That's it. Okay. So thank you very much.